Well, earlier today I told you about Dianne Feinstein's bill to take away the rights of gun ownership for those 18 to 20 years old. And now I'm going to tell you about a victory in court that reaffirmed the right to carry a firearm for those 18 to 20-year-olds. And those 18 to 20-year-olds. You know what I meant. And we're going to go to my new home state of Tennessee for this one. And big shout out to Firearms Policy Coalition who helped with this case to secure this victory. Here is what I want you to see. The case is Blake Beeler versus Jeff Long. And I'm going to read you a little bit because this is what sweet victory sounds like. The parties have reached agreement. State the following background facts in support of this agreed order. 1. Prior to the filing of this action, the state of Tennessee, by and through the defendant, Jeff Long, in his official capacity as the Commissioner of the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security, actively enforced, administered, or implemented laws and, to the extent they exist, any related regulations, policies, procedures, practices, and customs regulating the possession and carrying of handguns that restricted individuals aged 18 years old to 20 years old from carrying handguns or obtaining permits to carry handguns on the basis of age alone. On April 22nd of 21, plaintiffs Blake Beeler, Logan Ogle, and the Firearms Policy Coalition, Inc. filed their complaint in this action. On September 6th of 22, plaintiffs filed their first amended complaint to declare unconstitutional and enjoin enforcement of Tennessee Code ANN 39 blah and any regulations, policies, procedures, practices, and customs that defendant administers, implements, and or enforces pursuant to Tennessee Code and blah in order to restrict individuals aged 18 to 20 years old from carrying handguns or obtaining permits to carry handguns on the basis of age alone, collectively the challenged scheme. The plaintiffs argue that on account of their age alone, the challenged scheme made them categorically ineligible for an enhanced handgun carry permit under Tennessee Code or concealed handgun carry permit under Tennessee Code, and categorically ineligible for any permitless carry under Tennessee Code, and otherwise generally barred them from exercising their full scope of public carry rights they would otherwise be entitled to exercise. The challenge scheme regulating the possession and carrying of handguns restricts individuals aged 18 to 20 years old from carrying handguns or obtaining permits to carry handguns on the basis of age alone. And here's a good part. The United States Supreme Court issued its decision in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, Inc. versus Bruin on June 23rd, 2022. The parties agree that the challenge scheme violates the Second and the 14th Amendments to the United States Constitution. On or about January 23rd of 2023, that's yesterday, the parties reached an agreement to resolve the matter consistent with the plaintiff's requested relief in this operative complaint as memorialized in this agreed order. Quick 10 things they're agreeing on, and this will benefit anyone 18 to 20 in Tennessee, and who knows, maybe some other states coming real soon. The challenge scheme regulating the possession and carrying of handguns restricts individuals aged 18 to 20 years old from carrying handguns or obtaining permits to carry handguns on the basis of age alone, violates the Second and 14th Amendments to the United States Constitution. 2. The defendant and his officers, agents, employees, and all others acting under his discretion and control are permanently enjoined from implementing or enforcing the challenge scheme to prevent individuals 18 to 20 from carrying handguns or obtaining permits to carry based off their age alone. 3. The defendant in his official capacity as Commissioner of the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security shall provide a copy of this agreed order to the Tennessee District Attorney's General Conference and the Tennessee Sheriff's Association, as well as the Chiefs of Police Association. 4. The defendant shall implement any and all procedures necessary to accept and review enhanced handgun carry permit applications under Tennessee Code and concealed handgun carry permit applications under Tennessee Code, submitted by individuals aged 18 to 20, and shall not deny issuance of said permit based off the age alone. The next one says he shall begin processing these permits no longer than 90 days from the date of this order, and that's the meat and potatoes of it. If you want a copy of this, I'll pin it down below. Congratulations to the Firearms Policy Coalition for getting a big victory in the state of Tennessee. Now, I will tell you, Tennessee is one of those states we consider constitutional carry, but it is not. It is a permitless carry state. However, you can't go everywhere in the state utilizing permitless carry, and I didn't know that until I had a phone conversation with the head of the Tennessee Firearms Association. I'll just give you a quick idea why this is a big win. Tennessee is two-thirds of the state is a state or federal park because of the mountain ranges. And if you and I go there to go camping You have a concealed carry permit and I'm going constitutional carry. I'm committing a felony and you can do it because you have a permit. Doesn't sound like constitutional carry. Those are some of the things we'll be working on when I get to Tennessee full-time. Guys and gals, big win for Firearms Policy Coalition. Link in the description of every video. If you want to support Firearms Policy Coalition, I will put that in the pinned comment as well. Big victory. 18 to 20-year-olds getting a little bit of their respect back. They can go to war for this country, but they can't defend themselves when our rights say we can. Yeah. Let me know what you think down below. Not everybody is for this type of ruling. I'd be interested to see why, honestly. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. That's what it's for. Not going anywhere. And if you think the Second Amendment is paramount to people's feelings, then hit that subscribe button down below and like the video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.